Good morning. Hello, hello.
Welcome to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Well then, this morning we have bagel. What we can do with bagel.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
So we're gonna make something, not with salmon, but we're gonna use beef with bagel. This is called Semur. Actually, we make this for Tastier.
Yes, for his Triple D show. He came to the restaurant back in February.
Yeah.
The episode has not aired yet, but he loved this dish.
All right then. So
he loved the very unique flavors.
So let's start.
All right. So he's going to. He just put in a little bit of coconut oil.
Yeah. Coconut oil. Let me check this.
So in the restaurant, we actually slice the beef very thin, but we are using stuff that we have here at home, and the meat is a little thicker. So he's going to cook it just a little bit before we get going.
Let's put this. So you have. Can you cut this into two, please? Okay. So we have
star anise.
Star anise. We have cardamom. Tung cardamom, and then we have clove. Put it there. Okay. Let down. Okay, up.
Alright, do you want to put it in?
Yeah, put it in.
And cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Do you want a little bit more oil?
Yeah, put more oil. Cinnamon.
So to me, the combination of these really important four ingredients here, when he simmers them in with the coconut oil, just the combination is just makes your mouth water.
Okay, so I need onion.
Okay. You want to use all of this?
Yeah.
So we're going to add some onion.
Red pepper.
Red pepper.
Let them cook probably a little bit until you have that, how you call that?
That aroma.
Aroma of all of the herbs. Okay, in Indonesia, the way they cook semur, it's not like what I did here, because I have my own way to cook semur. It tastes kind of herby, sweet because of the soy sauce that we're gonna use, but in case you guys don't want to use soy sauce, so you can always use palm sugar.
You definitely need the sweetness,
but
so pick one. But this is an amazing soy sauce. Many people have not ever had it. It's an Indonesian style soy sauce. It's very sweet. You know, it's as opposed to being salty like some of the Thai and Japanese.
Okay, let's do.
And that is in this bottle here.
Yep.
Okay. How many?
3 spoons.
2.
Uno más.
3.
Yeah. And then I need the coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Tell me when.
Yeah. Stop.
Okay.
So now you wanna. Okay. So the best idea for this, perhaps you cook the day before, and then you put inside the fridge, and then the next morning, if you want to eat with bagel, what you need to do just take some pieces that you want to put in your bagel and then reheat it. It even tastes better because of
so if you do have a chance to let it sit overnight in the fridge, it really, of course, absorbs more of the flavors. But if you're hungry like us and we have not had breakfast yet, it is still very good.
Okay, so if you have lime leaf, you can put lime leaf.
This is the kaffir lime that we did a short video about, that we actually grow them in our front yard.
Another cat? Oh my god! Sabar! Down! That's not Sabar. Oh, that's not Sabar. Okay.
He's chasing a lizard up the tree. Alright, so we've got, we still have a couple ingredients here, so let me know when you want to put those in.
Okay. Okay, so since we don't have gluten-free beef base, so we use gluten-free chicken base. Just a little bit here for saltiness.
It's gonna simmer a little bit, not too long though.
So now I need the lemongrass. Okay, Thomas.
Huh?
A little bit more.
Of the lemongrass?
Yes, I like lemongrass.
Okay. Tell me when.
More. Stop. Yeah, you're gonna put the soy based on your
Preference.
yes. Oh my gosh.
These cats are crazy. So
now-
we've adopted a mother. She showed up one day with babies, and so now we have 4 cats outside that we feed, and that was kind of my fault. So the soy really balances out the strong flavors of those, the cardamom, the star anise, the cloves, and the cinnamon.
and then they have that kind of spicy kick.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
a little
yeah.
bit.
And then the bubumera that we're using has got chilies in it, so it does give it a little spice there.
Okay.
But it's really, really good. Okay,
Let
what
them
else do you
sit.
need?
That's it, I think so. Let them sit for. What about the salt? Are you okay with the salt?
I'm fine, unless you want to add a little bit more.
Let me try one more time. One more time. I need soy a little bit.
Soy?
1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 4. Yeah. In Indonesia, the beef is kind of like thick and chunk.
Okay.
Like this size and
But thicker?
Yes,
Okay.
thicker, and it takes hours to cook because you have to like boil it. For some
Okay.
people, they boil first the beef and then they cook it. But me, I just want to slice a little bit. If we do like a little bit thinner,
Yeah. It'll
it's
cook
gonna,
faster.
Yeah, it's gonna cook faster.
Yeah, and it'll absorb the flavors
Yeah.
faster as well. What do you think?
I think we are good.
All right, so guys, one important thing before you serve it, definitely do take, since the big seasonings out, since we do use the whole seasoning of the star anise, the cinnamon, just so you don't crunch down on those. It's not gonna hurt you as far as flavor wise, but you know, it's easier to eat. Okay, so we
have cream cheese.
yeah, Abe wanted to try cream cheese, but we're all out of that, and we are just doing stuff that we have in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Okay, we toasted these a little bit, and now we're going to.
Let's put this.
Oh well.
Okay, caramelize. I'm gonna put 3. Okay. Oh,
So this is just a little bit of fresh chopped up green onion on the top.
And then take a picture. So let's try.
Oh my gosh, what a breakfast. With maximum flavor. People love this dish at the restaurant, and so did Guy Fieri.
How's that?
I never thought on a bagel.
Bagel with Indonesian taste. It's so good.
And I love the juices. So if you want to create a little bit more of a saucy texture, how would they do that?
Put more coconut milk.
I guarantee no one has had flavors like this before.
I'm enjoying my breakfast.
That's why we want to show people how to cook like this, because it's amazing.
The sweetness, the spiciness mixed with the herb and the lamb bring this bagel to another level.
Totally.
If you want to put cream cheese, put cream cheese. I think we can put this in any type of bread. It's not only bagel.
Yeah, it's something ciabatta,
Ciabatta.
ciabatta.
No, ciabatta bread. And if you want to put some veggies, look at that. That Indonesian taste is the herb taste.
Nothing like you've ever had before. Now this is a breakfast. And then you get a bite of the little fresh green onions. Gives a really nice little crunchiness, but
Yeah, or even you can
I need that sauce.
do like this. That's
Wow.
us. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe,
Like our video, share, and don't forget to
try this at home.
definitely try it. It's another quick and easy dish, but maximum flavor, off the chart flavor. You'll never have anything like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Make the world tastier.
With 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.